Hey, today on Rick Steel Customs, we're going to do an unboxing video. As you know by the thumbnail, I got myself a new welder, this time a TIG welder. And if you've seen my previous video on my valve cover, you'll see why I decided to delve into the art of TIG welding. I've never done it before, but then again, I never did the wire feed before the first time I actually did the wire feed welding. So I'm going to be learning it as I go. So as you can see by the thumbnail again, I bought a YesWelder Tig welder, and I bought this off of Amazon. The going price of these units are $750. But currently on Amazon, I believe there's 3 units left. You can get a $200 off coupon. If you look at the Amazon ads, there's, I believe, only one seller selling it, but there's only a few sellers selling it. It's like 3 or 4. Just find the one that says $200 coupon, click the coupon, and then buy it for $550. That'll save you $200 right there. Free shipping. But I've did my research on these here on YouTube, and I've actually found everybody loved them, swears by them, no complaints about them, and actually prefer these to some of the other more expensive TIG welders that they own and have used. So with that, I went with this. But what they were saying on the YouTube videos is that these particular welders no longer come with a foot pedal. So I had to buy a couple of extra items to go along with this welder just to get started. I probably actually have about $750 in it now because of the extras. The foot pedal alone with tax was $108. I have 3 boxes here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start with the smaller of the boxes. Okay, let's get started with the smaller box. I have no idea what's in. I think this is cups, but let's take a look. Yeah, we got some tungsten. We've got a flow meter. And we got some consumables here. Now these I bought specifically for YesWelder to make sure that everything is compatible with the particular torch I got. Now this actually comes with the glass cups. I believe these are made for heat, so I don't have to worry about them breaking. Anyway, that's what I got here. This was $40. This was cheap. It was only $25. So right now I got to run down to the welding supply company, and I got to pick up some argon gas. I already have the 2 extra tanks on hand. They are CO2 tanks. Well, I've been using them for my MIGs, but you can actually fill them with pure argon. Pretty much any gas you want. And there she is. With a little metal float ball. Or I don't know if it's metal or not. I guess it probably is. Looks metal. And this, if I'm not mistaken, should be the foot pedal. Again, this is a YesWelder foot pedal. Wanted to make sure I was compatible. And since I paid with this with my own money, I'm definitely going to get a honest opinion as to the construction quality of this pedal. Okay, the pedal surface here is actually made of plastic. The body is made of metal, this portion here, and this is a 5-pin. So if you're going to order a foot pedal that you want or prefer better than this one, it has to be the same setup as this, 5 pins, if you're going to use it with this welder. If any of you have ever bought a TIG welder before and have used it for the first time right out of the box, I'd be interested to know how you felt about it, if you had any issues. A lot of people say it's extremely difficult. I just don't buy it. I don't think it's going to be difficult at all. I could be wrong. That's been known to happen on rare occasions. Okay, now we're going to get into the good stuff here. Let's see what this thing looks like. And these actually come with a 3-year warranty. You might be able to buy an additional warranty. And it does have a 220 power cord. So if you do not have this type of plug in your wall, you're going to need to buy yourself an adapter. Because I imagine if you cut the cord and put another end on this, like this one, they'll probably void the warranty. In fact, I'm pretty positive it will. But this thing is great. I use this for my, I actually bought this for my Miller MIG welder. But fortunately for me, it fits because this thing was like $50. So that's going to work out perfect. Well, it comes with white tape for the gas fittings, pipe sealant tape. Comes with a grounding clamp. Comes with a wire brush. Comes with a stick welding cable. How many of you guys stick weld? Put that in the comments below. If you are used to stick welding, or if you actually have a TIG and a MIG and you prefer stick welding, I'd be very interested to know about that. It does come with some consumables here. There we go. It doesn't have the glass cups on it though, and I really want the glass cups. I think it'll aid me in actually learning how to do this. here's the stick gun, the TIG gun that it comes with. Now this one does have the trigger controller, so you don't actually need the pedal to use this welder, but from everything I've seen on YouTube regarding learning how to use one of these torches, you get more control over the weld with the foot pedal. And this foot pedal's got a pretty substantial spring on it. You can actually rest your foot on it. And unless you're a 600-pounder, I don't think you're going to actually activate the TIG torch. So this will actually be better, the foot pedal over this button. This is something I'm not interested in using at all. I'd rather just be controlling the TIG torch rather than concentrating on holding the button down and performing my weld. So I'll let my foot do the talking. It was wrapped and secured pretty well with these large pieces of foam. Welder itself isn't very heavy. I mean, it weighs about, if I had to guess, I'd say about 30 pounds, maybe 35. Not a bad looking machine. Be nicer if they put a little darker shade of blue on it. Maybe painted the outer plastic grill here black. That would have looked better. Black and blue. Or even red and blue, or black and red. Got a pretty good sized fan. The case is actually all metal, except for the front cover. That's plastic. Okay, so this is where your pretty sure that's where your tank will hook up. And it's got all the different settings here. I'll zoom in on this. I don't know much about it to even talk about it, so I'm not going to go that far. I'll have to go over the manual and see what I learned there. And I'll do a new video actually trying to test this thing out for the very first time. So it'll be a first time TIG welder with a brand new TIG machine that I've never used before. So we'll see how that turns out. But I'm looking forward to trying it. I would start it up right now and do it right now, but I don't have any nitrogen, so I have to go get the tanks filled. But in any case, if any of you guys actually have this welder, let me know your opinion. Do you like it? I mean, this, don't need that. But so far, I'm really interested in trying this thing out for the first time. Anyway, guys, I'm going to call it quits for right now. Just wanted to make this quick short video for you guys to let me know what you think. I think it's going to be a pretty decent little unit. But This is Rick Steele. I'd appreciate a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you want, hit that bell icon, because I'm going to try and start coming out with more videos. And remember, let's go, Brandon. Have a great one.